In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resolve Gtin errors on Google Merchant Center. Let's dive right in. First, open your web browser and navigate to business.google.com/merchant center. This is your starting point for accessing the tools you need to manage your product listings effectively. When you arrive on the page, look towards the upper right corner for the Sign In button. Once you click it, select Merchant Center from the drop-down menu. If you haven't signed in yet, you'll be directed to the sign-in page, enter your credentials and proceed. However, if you've already signed in before, you'll be taken straight to your Merchant Center homepage. Now that you're on the Merchant Center page, let's focus on locating the products that have GTIN errors. On the left side of your screen, you'll find a navigation panel. From this menu, click on the Products page. As you enter the Products section, search for the tab labeled Needs Attention. This is where Google flags any product issues that need your attention, including GTEN errors. Once you are in the Needs Attention tab, look for the filter icon located above the product table. This tool is essential for narrowing down your problem areas. Use the filter to isolate products affected by GTN issues, ensuring you're only focusing on those items requiring immediate action. After you've applied the filter and identified the products with errors, select the specific product title you want to correct. Upon selecting it, click on the Edit Product button. You're now in a position to amend the GTIN issues. Carefully input the correct global trade item number, ensuring that you double check for any typing errors. Once you're confident the GTIN is accurate, it's time to save your work. Look for the Save button, generally located at the bottom or top corner of the product edit page, and click it to confirm your changes. After the revision, make sure the issue is resolved by returning to the Needs Attention tab. Check to see if the product is no longer listed there, indicating that your correction has been successful. However, it's important to note that changes might not reflect immediately. It can take some time for the Google system to process your updates. So, if the product still shows up in the Needs Attention section right after you've made your changes, don't worry. Just give it a little while and the issue should gradually disappear from the list. And that's it, you've successfully tackled GTN errors in Google Merchant Center. By following these steps, you ensure that your product listings are in top shape, ready to reach a wider audience without complications. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips.